Hey YouTube family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. In this video, I am going to teach you how to drive sales in your business using Podia's email marketing features. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. What is Podia? Podia is an all-in-one platform that lets you run your entire business, including your website, your blog, link in bio, digital products, courses, community, affiliates, customers, and email all in one place. You don't have to use a ton of different tools, which can be complicated and extremely expensive. Everything is already connected. Podia is great for business owners who are just starting out as they are extremely affordable. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. It aims to promote products, services, or events, build brand loyalty, and most importantly, drive sales. Key elements include building an email list, segmenting the list, creating compelling content and templates, automating campaigns, testing and optimization, and ensuring compliance with regulations. We will get into each of these features throughout the video. All Podia email features are free for everyone for your first 100 subscribers. You can use all the automations, campaigns, templates, tagging, etc. without having to pay anything when you're first starting. All Podia email plans include unlimited email sends, unlimited automated campaigns, templates, tagging, segmentation, email scheduling, support, unlimited email sign-up forms, and unlimited landing pages. Plus Podia's other great features like a full website, digital downloads, courses, community, webinars, coaching, affiliates, and customer chat messaging. Once you log into your free Podia account, this is what you're going to be viewing. Here is where you will see any recent activity, your audience, a snapshot of your sales, your community, and the ability to add an email or teammates. Podia gives you the ability to build a website on their platform. Here on the dropdown, you'll be able to either view your site or edit your site. This products dropdown will take you to all of your products or add a new product. To add a new product, just type in the name here and choose one of the products. You can choose from an online course, a digital download, a webinar, a bundle, or a coaching session. With Podia, you can also build a community. Here in the community tab, you can choose to go to home, check out the different topics, check out all the members of your community, and even write a new post. This email dropdown is what we're going to be focusing on throughout the entirety of this video, on how to create broadcasts and campaigns. This dropdown for your audience will take you to everyone that's in your audience, show you all of your affiliates, organize your tags, and allow you to import new contacts. To the right of it, we have the sales dropdown where you can take a look at all of your sales and add new coupons. This video is sponsored by Podia, the all-in-one platform to help run your business. Click the link in the description of this video to sign up for your free Podia email marketing account. Remember, your first 100 subscribers are free. Let's go ahead and add an email form. So from the dashboard, what you'll have to do is click Edit Site. Podia email sign-up forms are automatically linked to your website, products, and email list. In just a few clicks, you can add opt-in forms on your Podia website and style them however you would like. You can also add Podia email to share lead magnets, create waitlists, and build full email landing pages. And what we're going to do right now is create a landing page for our website. So we're going to go down and click new page. Here we're going to click the add button and we're going to choose to add some text. So this is just going to be the title, and here you can edit the text. We're just going to write a brief description so that people understand what they're getting in return for sharing their email information. After writing this out, you can also choose a design feature. You can align and center all of the text however you choose. You can play with the width. This is the gap in between the lines. You can adjust the vertical padding as well. And the style as well as the theme. And you can add a background image right here. So now we have a title and a little explanation. We can add an image right now. Change the title. And what we'll do is also add some text information. Okay, so we have the text here. So here's where we're going to upload the photo of our choice. So now that we've chosen our photo, you'll see that it has now shown up on this side. We have a little bit of information on our Cleaning Business Basics course. What we need to now add is the actual form to sign up. We're going to press the add button and then click email form. Here's where you can also add some text description to tell people why they should be signing up for your mailing list. Also, some information on you're signing up to receive emails from Cleaning Business Mentor. That way they're made aware that they will be receiving emails from you. And if you want to change the text on the button, you can do that by editing right here. Now, this is what the finished page would look like or does look like on our site right now. Now that everything is complete, we're going to click right here. And this is the page that we added. So we're going to click the page settings and we're going to name this. And what we can do is get rid of this URL that's pre-populated. And it will generate to free course sign up. So now we're going to hit publish. And this is what our landing page now looks like. The next step is going to be creating the email campaign for after sign up. This video is sponsored by Podia, the all-in-one platform to help run your business. Click the link in the description of this video to sign up for your free Podia email marketing account. Remember, your first 100 subscribers are free. From the dashboard, we're going to go to the email dropdown. You'll notice that we can choose between broadcasts and campaigns. Broadcasts are considered bulk emails, such as sending out a newsletter. Campaigns are a series of automated emails that you set with each campaign. Let's go ahead and create a campaign together. On this page, you will see any other campaigns that you have already created, but let's go ahead and click New Email, New Campaign. This right here is the campaign page. Right here where you have the name, you can title this for yourself. This is for internal use. So let's go ahead and give this a name. The next line, you're going to choose what email this is going to be sent from. And you can also go ahead and set up your custom email address. Next up are the entrance conditions. People enter campaigns and start receiving emails once they match any entrance condition. Let's choose our entrance condition. Now you can choose people from your audience as well as a number of different options, but we are going to choose tagged with an email form. Click apply. The next line are the exit conditions, where people exit the campaign and stop receiving emails once they match any exit condition. We currently have 2 preset exit conditions, when the client receives the final email as well as if they choose to unsubscribe. The last portion of this is going to actually be designing the content for our email. So let's go ahead and click on new email. If you already have created broadcasts and campaigns, you will see the ones that you've made in the past. Otherwise, we can go ahead and choose from a pre-made template. All of these templates are editable. So let's go ahead and preview one of these templates to use. If you decide on the template, you can go ahead and click Apply Template. The first line is the delay, and you can choose to delay the email once the client signs up for the form. So we're going to choose 0 days because we want our clients to go ahead and receive that email with the free course right away. The next section is a subject line. Let's go ahead and type in our subject line. The next line is the preview text. So this is what the client will see right underneath that subject line. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit and you will notice that everything on this email template is editable. If you click on this box, this is the header. You can decide to put a custom image, no logo, or your site name. You can also play with the left, center, or right position, as well as the padding, the vertical padding, any gaps. You can change the corners and update the color schemes. we're going to go ahead and actually replace this image with the image that we have off of the site of the free course. Now that we have updated or replaced the photo, now let's put a little bit of text for this email that'll be going out. So now that we have put some text into the body of our email, let me just show you how you can easily delete sections. So I don't need this section at all. I don't need the register now button since I did provide a hyperlink for people to sign up. I'm going to edit actually this portion completely out because we also don't need this. And we can also delete a lot of this extra portions down here. Now, part of the design I just want to show you guys is that you can click on any of the sections and again, play with the horizontal padding, the vertical padding, how the corners look, and of course, changing up all of the different colors for the text. Down here, you can link all of your social media accounts, which I always suggest doing. And Podia has a really awesome autosave feature. Let's just take a look at this and make sure everything looks good. We have 0 delay, subject, preview text. The email looks awesome. We have a link to the free online course. Then I also included a link to the second part to that course. All the socials filled out. Send ourselves a test email. That way you can be sure that everything that you have included is correct and no revisions need to be made. This is the test email that I sent myself. What you want to do is make sure that all of the spelling is correct. And if you have any links, be sure to check that they open up to the right windows, because the worst thing you could do is send out an email that has the wrong links or any type of misinformation. This looks all good. Let's get ready to send this out. So here we are at the email sign up for the free course. Once people start receiving the course, you will see some analytics that will be showing here and over here. I wanted to show you some analytics of some past email campaigns that we've ran. 5 were sent, and this had a 40% open rate. And this is really going to help you keep track of how many people actually open your email. And then you can go ahead and tweak any future emails that you would like to. Podia has free migration. So if you're using another email provider, Podia will migrate your list for free when you sign up for their annual plan. This video is sponsored by Podia, the all-in-one platform to help run your business. Click the link in the description of this video to sign up for your free Podia email marketing account. Remember, your first 100 subscribers are free.